This is how to put a bladder into your pump. First, hold it up the middle and then twist and pull. Second, when you attach the bladder, push it on all the way. And then reattach the base. The bladder pump requires two sizes of tubing, the 5/8 and 1/4 inch. Push the 5/8 tubing into the larger hole, then the 1/4 inch into the smaller hole. To release the tubing, push down on the push fitting. If you're using twin bonded tubing, make sure to shave off the ridge in between it to create a perfect seal on the push fitting. If water in your sample line is dropping or bubbles are coming out of your pump, first inspect the check balls and all the O-rings to make sure they are not damaged. Also ensure you've shaved the tubing.